This is a Lion 10.7 11A 511. Okay guys, Lion is now installed, but the post install is relatively easy, like the creation of the DVD. So I will show you everything right now. So to make the DVD showing in Finder, just go here and that's it. You see the DVD, and if you have an external hard drive, you will show in Finder. So the sidebar, you can choose the option of you want. So you have to open the DVD and transfer to desktop Lion DVD Creator. That's why it's in copy on the DVD. It's only for the post installation. And if you want to create the DVD from Lion or Snow Leopard, everything, it works from 10.7 to macOS Tao 26. Sorry, my English is a little bit in French also. Okay, so now you can eject this DVD. It's not need anymore. So you will start the post installation just by double click to install Chameleon. Okay, you have to choose the disk number of your Lion disk. So my Lion disk is here, is disk 4. You will see Lion disk 4. So disk 4, that's it, following by enter, and you have to enter the password. Now you choose here, you change, select the disk Lion, choose your macOS 6 Lion disk, choose. Now you have the option if you have a laptop or PC. Laptop is 2, PC is 1. So I type 1, following by enter. I choose PC, you will see, and install the audio driver and the extra folder, and make the SSD bootable from Chameleon 2923. This is normal, the Jimmy Chrome, so don't worry about that. That's it, everything is done. Now I'm not reboot, but you have to restart to make the things working. I'm not restart now, I just show you what's happened. So I cancel here. This is the Apple HDR backup, and you will see on your drive extra folder with the install log. You see, and that's it. All the extensions is here, the driver and the theme, the default theme. You will see when you boot from the DVD, it's the theme I built from my computer. So now you just have to restart and complete update. When you restart your Lion disk from direct on the disc because you not need anymore the DVD. So you have to go here, you check the update and install update, and he will tell you the installing update. You have to reboot, and when you reboot you check again, check update, blah blah blah, and you will see another update. So you complete the full update, and you have the internet, the Wi-Fi if you have the Atheros Air 5B 195 or the TLW. I will show you here the Atheros. If you have this card or this card for laptop and this one for the PC, you have the Wi-Fi functional on your Lion. So I will complete the update, and I will show you after my reboot a small video attaching at this one to show you everything is working. So I will show you when I reboot the next video. Okay guys, I'm back after reboot and completing all the updates. I have 3 updates. The latest is Safari. I will explain to you something about that, but you need to understand, when you install Chameleon and reboot, you have to go there and checking the network connection. Okay, maybe some version of the installer macOS Lion, it will tell you a new connection, blah blah blah. You have to set up the connection internet. Just click OK and apply lock. Okay, now you will see my Wi-Fi is functional, my internet also functional. So I have complete all the update. We will see there is no update. I'm up to date. Then the latest I will show you. You see, your software is up to date. So the latest update, when you see when you complete the first 2 one, you have another one, the third one. You reboot 2 times for the update, and now you check and you see update. You see Safari. Uncheck, because we have 2 Safari. It's probably Apple bug, Lion bug. So uncheck one, the upper one, and install one update. When you install, you check again, and your software is up to date. And you don't have to reboot for the Safari. It's installed automatically. So the system is perfect. I will show you now about this Mac 10.75, 10.7.5, 11G63. More info. It's a MacBook Pro, Mac Pro 3.1. System report, Mac Pro 3.1. The audio is built in. Bluetooth, I have a dongle Bluetooth. Compatible dongle Bluetooth. The disk burning, the Ethernet card, graphic display. I use ATI Radeon HD. It showed me 666, but I will show you something about the USB. And here the Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi card. So everything is perfect. So you have to go on the audio, set up the line out green rear if you use a PC. The output, same thing. And the input, you choose your input, which one to input your microphone. So the sound is perfect, everything is perfect. So this is Lion 10.7.5, and if you check on the internet, you will see a lots of people create the new internet browser for adapted for macOS 6 Lion, and it's a good thing because now Tao is the latest system for Intel. It's done, it's finished, guys. I can touch for Intel. Now lots of people coming back, roll back to the old system. That's why I create this program, and I hope you guys you enjoy and do it with the old system of macOS, because it's really great. You will see macOS, the old system, I like it. So thank you very much for your time. This is the latest video. I will attach with the first. See you next time. Bye bye. My name is Chris. Bye bye.